Hey guys, and right now we're going to be talking about the four main types of baking sugars. There are much more sugars that we can't cover, but I'm pretty sure I said baking sugars because you use these in baking. So I got this idea by waking up at 3 a.m. in the morning, and it just hit me. That's what YouTubers do, you know? So first we're going to be going over light brown sugar. Light brown sugar is white sugar and molasses. Molasses is traditionally used in gingerbread. If you're a Christmas time cooker, you'll probably have this in your cabinet buried somewhere. So here's a preview of the brown sugar. Brown sugar is very easy to clump if it's opened for too long. So that's why most professional bakers use white sugar and molasses whenever needing brown sugar. Brown sugar is usually used in baking cookies whenever you have to mix it with softened butter. So now we're going to be talking about dark brown sugar. Dark brown sugar has a much stronger taste than light brown sugar and contains more molasses than light brown sugar. You can also make dark brown sugar you can either mix it or you can blend it. I think blending is much better, but we're not really that much of a Christmas time cooker, so we don't really have molasses. So now we're going to be moving on to the real star of all of these. White sugar or granulated sugar, some cooks say. White sugar is very versatile because you see how it moves so quickly? It was very easy. As for the brown sugar, it barely moves. Because of this, the white sugar is very versatile and very resistant to clumping. White sugar is very sweet and also used commonly in a lot of desserts. Again, if you can mix this with molasses and get either these two. And finally, we have powdered sugar. Powdered sugar is one of those sugars that you use whenever you need to make something very soft, like French macaroons, because it's very light, and French macaroons are it's mostly air. So we're going to be doing a taste test. We're going to be doing a taste test on all four of these. So first we're going to be starting off with our brown sugar. Very flavorful, a bit sweet, but that's what sugar is. Now we're going to be doing our dark brown sugar. I'm getting a much more grindier texture. Its taste is very similar to the light brown sugar. Now we're going to be doing granulated sugar. Very sweet. And powdered sugar. This is very different from the other ones. It's very soft and airy and has a very interesting texture. You would expect this to be more smooth, but it's really not. It doesn't have a grindy texture, but it has a unique texture in your mouth. So that's going to be it for our sugar comparison. Make sure you share this video, like and subscribe for more cooking content. Thank you for watching. My name is Abdul, and good day.
So put in your white sugar, then put in your molasses and whiz it up. Use 1 tablespoon of molasses for 1 cup sugar for light brown sugar. Then use 4 tablespoons of molasses and 1 cup sugar for dark brown sugar.